Now we come to a quick lesson on understanding the word analysis, much of the process that we'll be working through for the next 7 weeks. Again, remember our class cycles, 7 weeks, 14 cycles. Analysis then is a noun, which means the separation of any material or abstract entity into its constituent elements, as opposed to synthesis, which is recombination of the two. Second definition, this is process, as a method of studying the nature of something or determining its essential features and their relationships. We'll be doing this for various piles of data within a big data set. Number 3, presentation, usually in writing of the results of this process. A paper published in analysis of the political situation. Again, we're pretty bad about labeling things. It says an imperception warning. The word analysis also refers to the work product that is produced by an analysis. It would be more helpful if we had separate terms describing them, but that's the way it goes. So let's talk about analysis methods. There really are only 2. First one is to question. That's to seek information through active curiosity, to know what you know what you don't know. And the second is to compare, to relate one thing to another, to determine interrelatedness. All analytical methods are a combination of these 2. This is going to be a class that's going to be a little bit different for many of you because there will be no competition. Instead, it's a limited form of crowdsourcing, or group sourcing as we call it. The results are the sum of the group analysis. And the idea is that everybody's going to be helping everybody else, and you'll be rewarded for contributing individually as well as contributing to others and to the groups. The frequency of these contributions is going to produce the greatest collective value of results, and everybody will gain. The emphasis will be on variety over depth. The questions, tips, and techniques will be reaching out to help, sharing, collaborating. Again, not asking questions is the worst thing that you can do here. Exchanging results. There are only 2 wrong responses. 1, getting stuck and not asking for help. And 2, performing an analysis and discovering the results are not useful. This happens more often than you'd think. And not informing your classmates of the results. This is really key. Negative outcomes are useful if known. They can help eliminate wasteful duplication. So your part is to understand your team goals for each analysis cycle, and that your part of the contribution plays achieving those team goals. Continuous feedback and help is absolutely welcomed and encouraged. At the conclusion of each cycle, again, reflect on what worked well and what can still be improved to go forward.